Welcome to this week's My Wisconsin Standards for Mathematics. During this week, we'll take a look at the standards for mathematical practice. We'll vary from looking at mathematics content and instead look at the practices that make up the My Wisconsin Standards. The Wisconsin State Standards for Mathematics are comprised of two different sets of standards, one being content standards, which look at developing procedural skill in mathematics for all students, and the standards for mathematical practice, which develop the mathematical habits of mind that we wish all students to develop. When these two combine, we get deep understanding of mathematics along with procedural skill. The standards for mathematical practice describe a variety of expertise that mathematics educators at all levels should seek to develop in their students. These practices rest on important processes and proficiencies with long-standing importance in math education. The mathematical practices come from two resources: Principles and Standards for School Mathematics, written by the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, and Adding It Up, helping children learn mathematics from the National Research Council. The National Council of Teachers of Mathematics process standards describe 5 different processes that students need to develop. They are problem solving, reasoning and proof, communications, representation, and connections. Adding It Up describes 5 strands of mathematical proficiencies. They are conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, strategic competence, adaptive reasoning, and productive disposition. When we combine these two ideas with processes and proficiencies, they make up the backbone of the standards for mathematical practice. There are 8 standards for mathematical practice. Number 1, make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Number 2, reason abstractly and quantitatively. 3, construct a viable argument and critique the reasoning of others. 4, model with mathematics. 5, use appropriate tools strategically. 6, attend to precision. Number 7, look for and make use of structure. And finally, number 8, look for and express regularity and repeated reasoning. In order to have true understanding of mathematics, it is important that we combine the ideas behind the standards for mathematical content along with the concepts of the standards for mathematical practice. When we combine content and mathematical habits of mind is where we get a deep understanding that we wish all students to have in mathematics. Please join us this week as we take a look and more in depth at each and every one of the individual standards for mathematical practice.